Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can link React navigation with this application. This application we have created in the last video about login and registration of a user. So after the successful login, it will go to the welcome screen and then it go to the profile and some other activities also. So in this application we have a login component. So we will add this component in React navigation. So we will see how we can install React navigation in React Native CLI in this example. For that, I first of all close this application because I have to update this. Now I close this one also. Now I go to the web browser. So here I type React navigation, this one, and I click on this, then click on read document, and here we have a way to install it, 6.x version. So first of all we have to install the dependency for React Native project. So we click this for React Native CLI. So I install this in a project directory. Then I take React navigation native library, second one. So I copy this React Native navigation for native CLI. Now one more library we have to install. Just go to hello React navigation, and here I need to install the stack also. Now I install the React native stack library. Now we install it. So I create one more component here that will link my screen. So I say that is all screen.jsx. So I will create all the screen here. For that I say rnf es. It is a snippets that will create the component. So I do not need this style here, so I remove it. Now I do not need styles also, I think this, so I remove this one also. I keep React Native. Then I go to this. Here I need to copy these two, that is navigator container, and second one we have create native stack navigator for stack or activity transfer from one particular activity to another activity to navigation for navigation purpose. Now I create the object of this stack, native stack. Then I copy and paste here and creating is object of this. Now I need to copy this container. So I copy this and just replace view with this, and you see we have a navigation container here, we have a stack navigator here, and I have the stack, this object is stack.screen, the name of the screen and component. So I will import here the login screen. So I say import, I say login, so that I need to pass here. In place of home screen I will pass my default home is a login screen, and here I will give the login and I save this. Then I go to app, and here in place of login I pass all screen here, because login is inside the all screen component as a home component. So here we are passing the all screen. You see that we have this login screen here and one extra bracket. So I have a login screen here that will be the by default, and this is the component which we have created in the previous video also, and this login would be the title for this activity. Now I try to execute it. So I say cls npx react native run android. So I will run this. Now you see in this activity we do not have navigation, but it will run this and title will be displayed at the top of this. So we are starting it. You see that this login screen is coming as a home screen, and at the top of this we have a title of this screen. Now I create two more screen here. So for that I create a component under the screen folder where we have a login screen also. So I create one more component inside this. I say welcome.jsx, and one more I create inside this, and I say profiles.jsx. Now inside this profile I say rnfes, and it will create this. So we say welcome to profile, save this. Then I create in welcome also, I say rnfes. Again I say welcome to React Native CLI navigation. Okay, save this. So I just insert these two more activity here. For that, what I have to do, just first of all I import here. Import, I say welcome, automatically we have. Then I say import, and I say profile. Then I import here. Then I need to copy of this two line. Here I say welcome, and here I pass welcome. Now here I pass profiles, and here I pass name profiles. Okay, save this. Now you see by default we have login screen as a home screen, but suppose this welcome screen I want to make the home screen. So we have a one option here. That option we have, you see, initial root name. So I can change this. So for that I go to stack navigator here, and I say initial root names, and here I pass welcome. So now the welcome would be the first home screen here, and we will have the welcome here. So I save this. So I need to refresh this. For that I open here and I say refresh. So it will refresh. You see we have a welcome as a home screen, and then we have welcome to React Native CLI here. Remember that this is the second screen here. Similarly we can change to profile, and profile will come as a home screen. But as per the requirement of this application, I need to put login as a home screen. So I save this, and again I have to refresh it. So I say R for refreshing this. So I will have login as my home screen again. So now in this video we learn how we can install React navigation and native stack library in React Native CLI, and how we can connect number of activities or screen here inside this, how we can pass this component to the app component here, and all other components work as an activity within this. So now in next video we will see, whenever we click on a login screen, then we go to welcome screen or other profile screen. If I click on register, it will create a new user, and on the basis of the username and password provided in these text field, it will go to the welcome screen after login. So that we are going to do in a next video. So I think you learn in this video how to install this React navigation and how to connect the number of a screen with this. In next video, see you how to transfer from one activity to another activity. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.